What's new, crew? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cassandra and I am a mom of 3, a family of 5, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys through basically a laundry marathon, catch up on laundry with me after the flu. If you've ever had small children with the flu, you know that laundry can pile up real quick, way quicker than your washer and dryer can do the thing. So my husband did his best to keep up on the laundry while I was down and out. That being said, I'm going to bring you guys through a 2-day laundry marathon. We're washing, drying, putting away, folding, sorting, doing all the things, and I'm also going to share with you guys some of my favorite laundry products and laundry hacks and different things like that. I will do my best to link any product or anything that I mention down below in the description box. None of my links are ever affiliate. That's not the way I do things. I just want to link things that I actually enjoy, and you guys never have to worry about whether I'm linking things, just to link them. So let's hop into day 1, which consisted mostly of just throwing things in the washer and dryer and watching my mountain pile of clean laundry grow and grow and grow and grow and grow until I had enough laundry where I had no more baskets left and I was forced to sort, fold, and start putting away some things. So let's hop into day 1. This is all the laundry that my husband actually washed and dried, so you can see he kept up pretty well. You can see all the pile of blankets and bedding and stuff that he got to, plus a ton of laundry and pajamas and all the things. So I think he did a really good job. There's definitely a big pile here for me to fold, sort, and put away. It was a lot more than I anticipated, so day 1 was really just folding, sorting, and then I was still kind of feeling down and out from the flu, so I opted to just leave all of this stuff in the corresponding baskets and wait until day 2 to kind of put them away and hope that I was feeling a little bit better, that the energy was back up and stuff. I'm sure you guys know how that goes, so I just kind of wanted to pace myself, and even if it took me 2 or 3 days to get all the laundry situated and put up, I was okay with that, especially knowing that when my husband came home, he could put away a basket or something like that. So just trying to split the load between the 2 of us, split it over a couple days, and just kind of give myself a little bit of grace until I could get caught back up.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive?
Laundry, I still have laundry, so I'm gonna switch this stuff out. I have 1 more load that I need to get in the washer and then I'm done. So I think I'm gonna have 3 more loads of laundry to fold, and then I'm gonna put everything away collectively. Welcome to day 2 of the laundry marathon, catch up with the laundry situation. So day 2 consisted of rounding up the last little bit of straggly laundry and putting away all the baskets that I folded and sorted on day 1. You know how it is after you get the flu, and for those couple days after, you're just kind of slow and groggy. Your energy levels aren't really the best. So I did what I absolutely could, and then I didn't want to push myself too hard, so I opted to just let the laundry sit in a basket overnight, continue on over the next morning. So that's what we did. We are heading into the girls' room and putting away all the girls' laundry, heading in my son's room doing that. Then we headed into the master, which was so embarrassing. I actually didn't even film it because holy man, there was just stuff everywhere, like literally everywhere. There was so much, but nonetheless, all of that laundry was also folded and hung up and put away. This also consisted of rounding up all of the rugs and giving those a good clean as well. And last but not least, folding and sorting and putting away all the rest of the laundry that I couldn't get washed on day 1. So without further ado, let's hop into day 2. On day 2 of the laundry marathon, yesterday I washed a ton of loads, separated a ton of loads, folded some stuff, and here's my girls' stuff. This is where a bulk of the laundry is, so I'm gonna start here just to get it done.
Mom, my sake.
That's a very nice sake. I'm going to start here. We do the no fold method, which really just means I take all the girls' stuff and shove it in the corresponding dresser drawer and call it good. The only thing I hang up is like shirts, dresses, sweaters, things like that. So we're gonna start here because this is the thing that if I save for last, I never actually do.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
Once I get everything away in the dressers, that's when I will hang everything up on hangers. I just pick out the shirts and stuff that I'm gonna hang as I'm going through. You guys saw me doing that, so now I'm just gonna hang the things up, and then I'm gonna be done in here and probably move on to my son's stuff because that'll take me 2 seconds, and it's gonna make me feel really accomplished that I have 2 things just like checked off the list, and then I'm just going to like keep moving down the thing there. What you got? It's a guitar?
Yeah.
Wow, that sounds beautiful. You want to play me a song while I put away some of your shirts?
Yeah.
Okay, play me a song.
I'll do Baby Shark.
Ooh, Baby Shark's a good one.
Yeah. Baby Shark goes for baby.
Can't move on till I let go.
I am in my son's room now. I just have his basket of stuff here, and we just do these little, you know, gray bins with those organizers, and that's what we use as pretty much all of our kids' dressers until their clothes just don't fit very well in these buckets anymore. It's just always the way we've done it. It works really well. Again, we use that like no fold method for our son's stuff. It just saves a lot of time, and especially with all of my kids are under the age of 6. So it doesn't really matter if I fold them anyways because they're just gonna rip them apart. So I'm not gonna waste my time folding and refolding. Right. Right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yeah, so that laundry in the baskets really lasted a long time. That's a prime example why I don't fold anything because it's never gonna last. It just saves a lot of frustration. So there's that. But before there goes the second bucket. Solid. Now that I've washed all of my actual laundry, bedding, clothing and stuff, I went ahead and I walked through my house and got all of the rugs throughout my house. Bathroom rugs, doorway rugs, like all that stuff. I'm gonna wash my rugs because they really need it. I do that probably, it really depends on the season, but right now we've been going between really warm weather where all the snow melts, and then today it's like snowing, slushing, raining. So basically they just get super muddy because the dogs come in and out and the kids coming in and out from school and stuff. So we're gonna wash those up. I wash my rugs on a gentle cycle. It seems to do the best that way, and then I always hang them up to dry. I never put them in the dryer. It just helps keeps the rug like integrity and they don't fall apart. They last longer. So gentle cycle, just a little bit of laundry soap. You don't need a ton. If you want, you can always throw in like some scent boosters or something with your rugs. I don't do that unless like I'm spring cleaning or something. I just want them to be extra fresh. So I'm just gonna make sure I'm putting it on my delicates, and we're gonna give that a wash. My 2-year-old just fell asleep on the couch. So that's why I'm whispering. It's like right around the corner. But because he's napping, I'm going to do my best. I have about I have 3 loads of laundry here that I'm going to try to sort and just get into laundry baskets at least before he wakes up. A little bit of makeup on now because I have a Girl Scout troop meeting tonight, and tonight's actually my first night as like assistant troop leader, so I'm a little nervous. That's what the makeup's for. But let's hop into this and hope that I can get this put away before he wakes up. I have no idea how long he's going to sleep. My 4-year-old is having a little bit of tablet time, so while they're distracted, I'm going to try to turn on something that I want to watch on the TV. Turn off Encanto. Give me a thumbs up if your kids are also obsessed with Encanto. And get through this laundry, so let's go.
Life, I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah. Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Thank you guys so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to hang out with me today. I hope that wherever you are, your laundry pile was not as high as my laundry pile, and if it is, no judgment. It just happens sometimes, and I hope that this video helps you get through your mountain pile of laundry. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you a little bit of motivation, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.